Speak English podcast with Aisell and Abdul Rahman. Let's learn.
Okay, Abdul Rahman, final episode. Are you ready? Yes, but I'm also a little sad. This series changed my speaking. Mine too. But don't worry, we're ending with the most powerful sound of all. Today, the American R. Tell me, when you say car, what do you feel? My tongue touches the roof of my mouth? Like the Arabic ra? Correct. That's the Arabic R. Now try to say car the American way. What changes? It's different? My tongue doesn't touch? But how? Here is the secret. In Arabic, the R is a tap. Your tongue touches. Quick. But in American English, the R is a glide. Your tongue curls back, but never touches. Arabic R. Tap, tongue touches, quick. Ra. American R. Glide, tongue curls, never touches. For the American R, your tongue curls back, like a spoon. Your lips round slightly, and the sound comes from your throat, not your tongue tip. Try it. Put your hand on your throat. Oh, I feel vibration, but my tongue is floating. Exactly. Arabic R. Tongue tap, quick. American R. Tongue curl, glide, vibration. This glide is what makes the difference. Without it, right sounds like light. With it, it sounds clear, American. Wow, so I need to curl my tongue but not touch? Yes, like you're holding a small marble under your tongue. Now let's train your mouth. Are you ready for round 1? Bring it on. Okay, listeners, this is your turn too. We will say pairs. First, Arabic R, then American R. Abdel Rahman, repeat after me. Listeners, repeat out loud. First pair. Car, car. Notice the difference? Abdel Rahman, your turn. Car, car. Good. Did you feel the curl on the American one? Next pair. Very, very. Your turn, Abdel Rahman. Very, very.
Excellent. Next one is tricky. Water, water. Feel the difference at the end? عبد الرحمن؟ في الأمريكي التي في المنتصف بتصبح دي خفيفة زائد اللسان يلف بعدها بدون لمس. Water, water. Perfect. One more pair. Remember, remember. Abdel Rahman? Remember, remember. You are improving already. I can hear the glide. But words are easy. What about sentences?
Oh no, sentences are faster. I might make mistakes there. That's why we practice. Let's move to round 2. In sentences, we flow, but we keep the American R clear. First sentence. I really love reading. I really love reading. 2 American R's. I really, glide R, love, reading, glide R at start and end. 2 American R's. Abdel Rahman, your turn. I really love reading. Nice. Did you feel the curl on really and reading? Next sentence. The red car runs very far. The red car runs very far. 5 American R's in one sentence. Your turn. The red car runs very far. Good. One more. This is a tongue twister. Robert runs round the rocky road really rapidly. Robert runs round the rocky road really rapidly. 8 American R's, the ultimate drill. Robert, glide R, runs, glide R, round, glide R, rocky, glide R, road, glide R, really, glide R, rapidly, glide R. Lots of American R's. Can you do it, Abdelrahman? Robert runs round the rocky road really rapidly. Wonderful! You didn't mix them up. Listeners, if you did it too, give yourself a clap. You are speaking American English right now. It feels different. My tongue is tired from curling. That means you are learning. Muscles need training. Here is your homework for this week. I want you to record yourself saying this sentence. I really appreciate your hard work. I really appreciate your hard work. 5 R's. Really appreciate your hard work. Send it to us in the comments or practice it 5 times every morning. Focus on the R in really appreciate your hard. Wait, your has a glide R. Don't forget. Homework sentence. R map. Really. Glide start. Appreciate. Appreciate. Glide R. Your. Glide R. Glide R. Hard. Glide end. Work. Glide end.
I won't forget. Really appreciate your hard work. Got it. Aisell, this is the last episode. What now?
This is not the end, Abdelrahman. This is the beginning. You now have the tools. P versus B, V versus F, TH sounds, R versus L, vowels, and the American R. 6 sounds, 6 breakthroughs. Now you practice, you apply, you grow.
So, what's next for the channel?
Great question. Next, we start a new series, Think in English Challenge. No translation, no hesitation, just thinking and speaking. But that's a story for another day. For now, celebrate your progress. Did you hear that, everyone? We did it. And tell us in the comments which sound was the hardest for you. PB, VF, TH, RL, vowels, or the American R. We read every comment and we are so proud of you. Thank you for joining us on Speak English with Aisell. I am Aisell.
And I am Abdelrahman.
And remember, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, real English, real situations, real learning.
This is not goodbye. It's see you soon.
Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next series of Speak English with Aisell. Take care, keep practicing, you've got this.
Bye, everyone, and thank you.
Bye.